Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make San Francisco Dream Home. So to make San Francisco Dream Home in Blender app, let's open the Blender app. After opening Blender app, select all these objects and delete them. Next you have to search an add-on on the Google. Then search building tool add-on. After searching this add-on, you have to download this add-on. After downloading it, once again open the Blender app, then go to edit, then go to preferences. Then click on install and open the building tool add-on location where you have downloaded it. Click on it to install it, then close this tab and then search building tool add-on. After searching this building tool add-on, you have to enable this building tool add-on. After this, close this tab and right here you will find building tool. Click on floor plan to add the floor. Then press S and scale it up. Once again press S and then press X and scale it up along the X axis. Then press S and then press Y and scale it up along the Y axis. Then select this surface, then go to edit mode. Press Ctrl R to add the loop cut. Select this loop cut and place it right here. Then select this face selector, select this face and click on add floor. You can see one floor is added. And also you can adjust floor count value, floor height, slab thickness and slab offset from here. So I will increase the floor count to 2. Next select this surface, then press E and extrude it. After this, select this top face and click on add roof to add a roof. And also you can select the shape of the roof. You can select the hip shape roof, you can select a gable shape roof, you can select a flat shape roof. So I will select a hip shape roof. After selecting it, you have to adjust the thickness. I will increase the thickness, then I will increase the offset. After this, increase the height and add a cylinder. Move the cylinder, then press S and scale down it. After this, press S and then press Z and scale up along the Z axis. Move the pillar at the corner. Adjust the position of pillar and then press Shift D to duplicate and then press G and then press Y and move the pillar along the Y axis. Once again press Shift D to duplicate, then press G and then press Y and move it along the Y axis. Press Shift D to duplicate, then press G and then press Y and move it along the Y axis. After this, select this building, then go to edit mode. Select this face, then click on add stair and add the stairs. Increase the step count to 3 and then decrease the step height. Move it vertical. You can see stairs are ready. Next I'm going to add fence right there. For this, to search Sketchfab on the Google and you can download any kind of 3D fence from there. After downloading GLB file, then go to file, go to import and then import the GLB file which you have downloaded. After importing this fence, move it like this and then press S and scale it up. Select the rotate tab and rotate it. Then select this move tab and move the fence to a proper location. Adjust its position along XYZ axis. Next press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y and move it along the Y axis like this. Press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y and move it along the Y axis. Then select this rotate tab and rotate it. Press S and then press X and scale up along the X axis and move it to a proper location. So this fence is also ready. Press Shift T to duplicate and rotate it and move it to a proper location. After this, press S and then press Y and scale up along the Y axis. So fence on all the sides is ready. Next I'm going to make door and windows. For this, select this house, go to edit mode, then select this face, then click on add door. After adding this door, you have to increase the height, then mark this double door. Then select the fill type and I will select this one. After making this door, then select this face and click on add window. After adding this window, then adjust its height and move it vertical. Then select this face and click on add window to add a window. After this, select this face and click on add window, then adjust its height and width. Then click on this surface and click on add window. Click on this surface and click on add window. 3 windows on this surface are also ready. Next click on this surface and add a window. Then select this face and click on add window to add a window. Then in the background I will add 3 windows. Click on this surface, click on add window to add a window. Increase the count value to 3. After this, select this face and click on add window to add a window right there and decrease the count value to 1. Select this face and click on add window to add 2 windows right there. Then select this face and click on add window to add windows, then increase the count value to 3. So windows and door for the house is ready. Next I'm going to make chimney right there. For this, once again I will import 3D Sketchfab chimney which I have downloaded from the Sketchfab. Go to file, go to import and import the GLB file of chimney which you have downloaded from the Sketchfab. After importing chimney, press S and scale down it. Then select this move tab and move it to a proper location. After this, press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y to move it along the Y axis and place it right here. So both the chimneys are properly placed on their location. After this, select this face, then click on add balcony to add a balcony right there, and click on this surface. Click on add balcony to add a balcony right there. Next I'm going to select this surface and I will add fence right there. Go to object mode, then select this fence, press Shift to duplicate, then press G and then press Z and move it along the Z axis and place it right here, and scale it down along the Z axis, move it downward, then press S and then press X and scale it down along the X axis. After this, press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y to move it along the Y axis and place it on the other side. All the things are properly placed on their location. Next I'm going to place a chair right there. For this I will import the GLB file of chair which I have downloaded from the Sketchfab. Go to file and then go to import and import the chair file which you have downloaded from the Sketchfab. After importing this chair, press S and scale it up like this. Then select this move tab and move it to a proper location and rotate it and place it to a proper location. Press S and scale down it and then adjust its position. Then press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y and move it along the Y axis and place a chair right there. Once again press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and then press Y and move the chair right here. Once again press Shift D to duplicate, then press G and then press Y and move the chair right here. So I have placed 4 chairs right here. You can see the view. Next step is to add material to this house. For this, select this surface, then select this surface and door surfaces, and I will select all the window surfaces. After selecting all the window surfaces, you can see the view. I have selected all the window surfaces. Then go to the material tab, click on add a new material and click on assign. Select the surface as glossy BSDF and see the shader view. And also decrease the roughness to 0. Now you can see the view. Select this house, then go to edit mode, then select the roof and also select these faces of roof. After selecting all these faces, then go to edit, go to preferences, and in the add-on search Blender Kit. After searching Blender Kit, you will see 3D view Blender Kit online asset library. You have to enable this asset library. After this, close this tab and right there you will find Blender Kit. Select the Blender Kit and select the material and select the material category which you want to apply on your selected surface. So I will apply this material on the roof. For this you have to click on this material to apply it. After this, press A to select all, then deselect the roof and also deselect the window and door. After deselecting all the windows and door, you can see the view. Once again go to marble material, then I will apply this marble material to the selected surface. Click on this material to apply it, then select this fence, select this fence, then select this fence, select this fence, and then I will select this fence, and then I will apply this material to the selected surface. Click on this material to apply it. After applying all the material to the surfaces, close the Blender Kit. After this, I have added a door right there which I have downloaded from the Sketchfab. Disable the overlay option to see the view and click on the shader view to see the view. You can see all the objects are properly materialed and they are properly placed on their location. In this way you can make a 3D San Francisco dream home on Blender app. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.